So, guess what? Kris is finally back in Sweden. Yes, I'm so happy that I'm back in my hometown of Stockholm and that I can continue with my beach adventures that have been very rare this year so far because of my traveling. Now today is 12th of May 2025. It is 1:42 p.m. And the sun is up and we have 17 degrees Celsius in the air. I just can't believe it. Yesterday in Rhodos, where I was, it was around 22 degrees when I left, so it's not that colder, even though the flight was 3 hours and 45 minutes north from Rhodos. And yeah, it has been quite a while since I have visited this beach actually. That has been renovated with a new jetty. I think it was somewhere around the end of last year, if I'm not mistaken. I usually go to the nudist beach that I can see from here, but there were a few people on there and I didn't want to film other people obviously, so I just opted for this one as there is nobody here. And the beach is huge, mostly containing green areas because this is a nature reserve, Hillas Garden that is, and there are two different jetties. I think the one over there is for dogs, if I'm not mistaken, or for smaller children. And this one is quite huge with so many different entries. I don't think that all of the entries are used any time, maybe during the hot summer. But yeah, and even though it is 12th of May, so late in the year, it is only my 4th beach adventure, this one. So obviously I was traveling. So I will post this one today, but I have a lot of content that I haven't posted yet from my trips in Rhodos, in Mallorca, from my cruise in the Panama Canal. From Egypt I have posted everything, and also from the cruise, from the Caribbean cruise that I had after New Year's, and also from my Thailand trip as well. I have more things to post. So yeah, let's then check how is the temperature. As my last swim, I'm not sure when it was actually, it was a long time ago, and I was on a different lake. So let's see how cold or warm Källtorps lake is. It looks quite nice, to be fair. The water is not that cold as I thought that it would be. And this is one of my favorite lakes that I do beach adventures on. And today I came with my bicycle here, and it was around 10 kilometers to get here. So I'm not sure if this is correct, but it says that it's 17 degrees in the water. And it can be 17 degrees as it is quite nice indeed. There is my bike over there that you can see that I missed a lot, and I look forward to bicycle to many different beaches this summer in Stockholm indeed. And yes, it is Eurovision week this week. Tomorrow is the first semi-final on the 13th. Then on the 15th, Thursday, is the second semi-final, and the final is on Saturday. I was so close to buying tickets that I saw yesterday some of the resale tickets because I couldn't get them earlier. But I think I'm gonna watch this year from Stockholm, as next year is probably gonna be in Stockholm as Sweden is going to win. So I'm gonna watch it live from, if it's gonna be in Stockholm, either in Strawberry Arena or maybe Avicii Arena that was previously known as Globen. Okay, then let's enjoy a nice swim in the Källtorpssjön on this beautiful day. And yeah, that is when I change the scenery from Mediterranean Sea to the beautiful Swedish nature. Look at that, it looks spectacular. And there is nobody here as well. So that's so amazing. And I have also bought a new protective lens for my GoPro, so I really hope that it's working now, because I think the previous one was broken and it was getting moisture and water inside. So let's pray and hope that this works. Otherwise, I have ordered a new camera also. So, but I really want to keep this one as my secondary camera. So yeah, Sweden, back on track in Stockholm, and it's time for a beach adventure with Kris from the beautiful, lovely nature from Norra, Källtorpsssjön. Oh yeah, I really missed this fresh water that looks so spectacular. Like the stairs over here are slimy because of the algae in the water, but that's not a problem for me. And then we are ready to go in 3, 2, 1. Yes, I think it's a success with the new lens. I'm so happy and so refreshing this dip today at Norra, Källtorpssjön. It's so lovely. I really miss Sweden. Stockholm is very hard to beat among the European capitals. It's really the best capital, at least in Europe, since I haven't been to all the capitals in the world, even though the water is cold. And at this time I'm questioning that it's 17 degrees. I think there's something wrong with my thermometer. But yeah, that's a wrap done from Norra Källtorpssjön. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and there are gonna be soon more beach adventures on the channel. Beach adventures with Kris!